Hey, what's going on guys? Matt back here with another tutorial, and today we're going to be adding some sound to our game. Now, I've already recorded the sound, and it's literally just me going, and that's just flicking my cheek and blowing some air out of my face. So I've already recorded that, and I've got it in my documents here. So I'm going to drag it straight in from there, instead of just going assets, import asset, whatever. I'm just going to drag it straight over and put it into my assets here. And that's just going to copy it exactly how I want it. And in fact, we can turn off 3D sound there, but we'll keep it on. We'll leave it there. One thing we are going to need to do is add an audio listener, I think it is, to Joe. So we're going to go component audio, audio source. That's the one. We're going to add an audio source. So he's got an audio source on him. And then we just need to add a very little bit of script to be able to do this because of the way we've got our game already set up. So let's go about that. So we're going to want to add a new variable, which I'm going to call it pop because it sounds like a little popping sound. And I want it to be a audio. I think it's audio. Let me just check. Yeah, an audio clip it is. So that just simply needs to be audio clip, and just check that it's not an equals. No. And with the audio clip there, we can then come down here, and just after we destroy the other object, we want to add, or we could do it just before. We'll do it just before. We need to add some script, which I've copied because I couldn't quite remember it. It is audio with a lowercase a .PlayOneShot with capitals for the first letter of each word, and then I've just got pop in there. You can also change the volume by putting comma, and then it's a decimal, so 0.7 would be 70% volume. If you leave it, then it's 100%. So I'll leave it like that, and that's exactly how I want it. So if I now press save, and I go into here, and I left the game how we left it last time. So if I press play now, and I jump at them, now I don't think you can hear it, but I can hear it making the popping sound. So actually no. So with that added, we could just hit save and come down here, and then on our script we can just drag our boop sound, which I just called boop, over to pop here, and then if I just hit play, if I go around, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's making the sound every time I hit, or every time I actually hit, because you can end up jumping over them the way I've got it set up. And it makes the sound every time that I collect one, I gain a point. So that's for kind of situational ones. And then in the next little episode, I'll show you how to add a soundtrack. I'm gonna have to make my own soundtrack for it, but so that's probably why I'm gonna make it in the next episode. So I'm gonna have to create some music for it, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how to make that happen, and how to make it loop as well. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I will see you next time.